Hello everyone, my name is Osama Al-Gaddafi and today in this lecture we are going to do some grammar with do and does. Do and does verbs conjugation in the simple present. تصريف الأفعال في زمن المضارع بسيط مع do and does. We use the auxiliaries do or does. نستخدم الأفعال المساعدة do or does when we want to make questions in simple present tense. عندما نريد أن نكون أسئلة في زمن المضارع البسيط with any other verb except to be or modal verbs مع أي فعل آخر ما عدا verb to be or modal verbs. As we all know, verb to be, for example, is, am, and are, or modal verbs, for example, can and could, may and might, will and would, etc. So here, let's move on to the first schedule. جدول الأول كما موضح. On the left side, we have what we call them subject pronouns, ضمائر. And on the right side, we have do and does. So we say, I do, you do. And also we say, he does, she does, it does. And also we say, we do, you do, they do. So, can we say, I does? No, we say, I do. Can we say, he do? No, we say, he does. So, let's move on to the second schedule, negative forms, صيغ المنفية. So here we have do plus not. We say don't. Does plus not. We say doesn't.